This is Paul. M5 Paul. I don't know who that is. So guys, today's video on Sabri Motors, I'm going to be putting new wheels on my Lamborghini Urus. So stay tuned. Not new wheels, they're the same wheels, but they're a different color now. It's very dirty, as you can see, kind of embarrassing. Dirty. Coronavirus, yes. Fuck you. But how do you guys like the color? Same as the M3, stealth gloss charcoal. Very fire. We're gonna put these on. I don't have the wheel caps because we're gonna paint them. This one's fresh rubber, some 335 action. And we're gonna put her in the air, but I have to grab my lugs, the regular lugs, because these are spacers. And they're in the trunk. So, let's grab them. Alright guys, we got some garbage in here. Not garbage, but stuff that I haven't emptied out. Installed the two fronts. I mean the right side. How does it look? But let's take a step back. I appreciate that. Shout out to my boy Jason M3 for the stealth gloss charcoal recommendation. It's looking very sick. Alrighty. Dude, it looks like a fucking Urus.
Yeah, it's a Lamborghini Urus.
Why is it that low?
It's on the lid.
Oh, but can it always be like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Turn it up.
Look how sick that looks.
But it's not recommended because the air suspension, the springs won't have enough air in them and it's gonna...
What is your take on my Lamborghini Urus?
Go?
Yeah. Is it beautiful?
Yeah, gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Guys, look how low it is in the back. It's not gonna stay like that though. I wish it did. Look how low it is. What the fuck? Oh my god. It looks sick. Let's get a cold start in about 3, 2, 1. Right now we're going to take the X6 on the other side. She is in desperate need of a wash. Right now that the car's in over here, we're gonna check on the wheel caps. Beautiful. They're still a little wet. See that? Guys, give me your initial thoughts. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Shout out to Jason. He had someone Photoshop a picture with these wheels on metal, so I'm really fucking with it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, so basically it's the end of the video now. This is my BMW X6 50i. Put the new Vossens. Let me know if you like it. I'm in love with it. Looks like a fucking Urus. Yeah, there's not much what to say. She looks pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is stealth gloss charcoal. We need to tint the windshield still. Light film on the headlights like the M6. Let's take a look at the back. Oh, nice. Bird shit. Bird shit. Bird shit. Bird shit. Yeah, anyways, enough with that 6. Look at the X5M. Put the nice Vossens on her. She's looking clean as fuck. Look at that. Look at that. That fitment. She needs some spacers. Pretty good. Or else it's gonna rub. It's already low as fuck. Anyways, can't really do shit now because we're in quarantine. Because I don't know. Because humans ruin the world. So basically, this car has sat here for about a day now. Sabri just came. Obvious Porsche. Julie's dirty X5 Range Rover S-Class. We got some fucking trampoline in here. I don't know what it's doing. Anyways, until the next one, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, you know, do all the good things. Until the next one, we're out.